say he gets the blue whale. He might get the blue whale.
I want.
No, get back there on the bench. Watch out, Carly. Watch out, Carly. Watch out, Carly. All right.
Thank you.
We'll find him some
Yep.
soft
Oh,
candy
you almost
later.
have.
I'm not gonna go
Giovanni, move.
Maybe we'll see. Is that gum or chocolate?
chocolate.
No, Sammy, you can
Leave him
do it.
alone. Leave him alone.
This is not gum.
Okay. Let's brush your hair.
No. Did I get the pink one?
Well, put it down there and roll it around on the bottom.
Is it my turn to
Harder on that curly hair. I don't know how to brush it.
Don't ruin my
He's trying to help you, but move it around. Move it around. Here, I'll
You like his hair, Mommy?
No, it's fine. You can stay there.
move it around. Move it around,
Show
Sammy.
me where to get the pink one.
Watch out,
pink
Giovanni. You got one.
Look out, Giovanni.
You got a starfish.
4 points. 4 points. It's my turn.
Starfish. You got
Giovanni,
a
it's your
starfish.
turn.
Let me see your starfish.
Lucky.
Where's your
You're
starfish?
so lucky.
Put
I
it
wish
on
I
there.
could catch a
Put it on there and
starfish.
let Lenny see it.
And I can catch a whale
How
too.
much is a starfish? How much is a 4 points? You got 4 points, Sam. Hey, Giovanni, your turn.
How many do we have total? Hey,
You got
he's
3
not
and
gonna
Sam's
get the
got
blue
4.
whale.
Let me have the.
No, baby. Take it out. Out. Out.
He not gonna.
Oh, no.
He doesn't get the blue
No.
Here,
whale.
Gigi.
He's not. This